what to make. Got some eggs. Got some tortillas. Got some cheese. Got some hash browns. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a super quick, easy breakfast burrito that I've been making recently. So delicious, so good, and I'll be right back and show you guys how to make it. Okay, so here are the ingredients you're gonna need. You're gonna need tortillas, ketchup, sriracha, 1 egg or 2, whatever you want to do, it's your life, cheese, very interesting, cheese, spinach, and here we've got some green onion. I live for green onion. Those are the ingredients you need for a fire, and we're just gonna sprinkle it. I like my hash browns seasoned. And we're gonna add a little nub of butter, maybe 2. And we're gonna add just a little bit of water to help steam it. Lid on. Those are the hash browns, and once the hash browns finish, then we will assembly the rest. I'll show you how. Put it down, the egg is cooked. You're gonna take your hash browns. Let's see if I can make this happen for you guys. It's very hard trying to cook and hold a camera. Take your hash browns, and we're gonna slide them right onto the egg. All right, folks, I hope you're paying attention. Then you're gonna get your tortilla, and we're gonna put it just like that, smack dab in the middle. We're gonna turn off the heat, let the tortilla warm up, and I'll show you a cool trick. Okay. So, once that's been sitting for like 5 minutes or so, you're gonna wanna take, folks, a plate that fits over your pot. Put said plate, make sure this is recording, this is important business. Put said plate over, and then I just like do it over by like a place where if I mess up, it'll be fine. I might have like cooked the egg a little bit too long, but look how easy that is. And you're setting yourself up for a perfect burrito roll. Instead of having to like pile everything on, stack it, make sure it's on the side. If everything's in a circle, you just roll it up and it's so easy. We're adding some sriracha, because I live for spice. If you don't, that's alright, your business. And then, are you watching? You just roll it up. You can tuck in the sides if that's your type of tuck. Ow, very hot! And then, you cut her open, folks. And let's check out the inside. I mean, look at that. Do you see that? Do you need me to zoom for you? Do you need me to zoom this in? No? Okay. Honestly, 5 stars. Chef's kiss. Chef's kiss. So good. And I like to just add some ketchup. This is some veggie ketchup, which is actually really good. Pretty good. Although if you ever tried the Trader Joe's organic ketchup, that hits different. It's so flavorful. I don't know if it's because it's organic or loud or what, but it's so good. We're gonna add, oh, I'm running out of this, so it's looking a little crazy. Maybe I'll take a bite for you guys so you guys can just know the truth that I'm experiencing, okay? Mmm. I could eat this every day. Mmm. So good. Go try it out. Super easy to make. Super delicioso. That's it. How about this lighting? Go try it out. So easy to make. So delicious. That's what I've been eating. Wow. Mess, huh? I just did laundry, so I'm figuring it out.
Just load, come on man. Just load the video, what's so hard? What's so hard about loading the video? You know what I mean?
Hello, I am out of focus. I'm all dolled up. Well, by dolled up I mean I have earrings on because I never wear earrings. I am heading out to dinner and I thought I would show you guys what I'm gonna wear tonight. I have like two of these like super pretty knit like sundresses. They go all the way down to like my feet, and these are great. These have been like my summer staples, but it is a little bit chilly today, so I'm thinking we're gonna be outside, so we're gonna be there when it's night, so I'm thinking that if I wear this I might get chilly, so I think I'm just gonna go with the good old classic pair of denim jeans and just a loosey-goosey just blouse. Let me show you guys my jeans. These are my Ride or Die jeans. So are these, but I like to wear these because they make my butt look. These jeans make my butt look so good. I don't know what the brand is. I literally found them thrifting like 3 years ago, and they fit me. They fit me so well. I just love these jeans, and then I'm gonna wear this blouse, this black blouse. So we're gonna see what it looks like on in 3, 2, look. The final look, just have this loose black blouse on. I think I got this from H&M like a couple years ago, and I wear this all the time. Like, it's just so easy. I don't know what's going on with this button here. It's just so easy to throw on. You look a little fancy and you don't have to try too hard. And I don't know what shoes I'm gonna wear. I think I might just wear my flats like these, maybe. Nah. Or I might wear my, let's see, I might wear my chunky. Ooh, oh, you know what, we might have a fit right here, right here. We might have ourselves a little fitterooski. What do we think, folks? Comment below. Should I wear these? Should I wear my chunky trainers? What do we think? I think this is kind of cute. Or I have like black like bands. like slip-on Vans that I could wear with it. Honestly, I think I might just wear this though. This is actually really cute. I like this. This is the fit. If you're looking for some outfit inspo, I hope this helps you. I hope you get everything you're looking for. Yeah, I might end up ending the vlog here. So if you've watched it this far, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you would like. Comment something that you're doing today, something fun that happened this week, and I hope you're having a great day or night.